decided to make me some crappie rod holders that mount on the seats of my boat. They'll be upright and they'll go like this. But I need a place to store my long rods. I don't have a place to store my long rods. These 7, 8, 9 foot rods. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do, I've drawn this out of some 1/4 inch aluminum that I had. And I think I'm going to make these things 20 inches tall. And I think what I'll do is I'm going to alter this a little bit because I don't need that big of a hole. I'll alter this, maybe just cut a slot here instead of all of this. I think what I'm going to do is alternate, just leave a hole in one side and then cut out the other side so that they sit up. Then I'm going to cut a spine for the back of this piece for the backing, and I'll tee it off, and then I'll weld that tee to a flat plate that mounts on the seat of the boat. They sell these crappie rod holders for like $110. I just think I can build something. It's not going to be adjustable. The other ones that they sell come in like a Scotty mount. I forgot who makes them, Craft or somebody like that. I'm going to try this, see if it works out. It's been kind of a challenge. I broke a bit off and had to change sizes and all kinds of stuff here, but we'll see how this turns out. If I like it, you know, I didn't have to spend any money on this aluminum. I already had it, so I'll try it out and see if it works. Okay, I think what I decided to do is just leave slots for those thin rods. I didn't want them to bounce out, and I alternated and offset them so rod tip, butt, that way I can hang them all up, you know, in a line. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's probably going to work. I don't need to cut these out and then cut my back strap plate out and get them welded together. I got these rod holders finished. Thought I'd give you a quick look. They turned out pretty good. I got them screwed down here with rib nuts, and then up here on the top I put in some eye bolts and some adjustable bungee cords just to hold the rods down in place. It seems to be pretty good. I probably could have made these holes a little smaller where these rods slip through here. I probably could have made that a little smaller just to make them a little more secure. But you know, a little aluminum scrap and a few minutes work saved me $100 on some rod holders. I've actually had these out and fished them, and they keep the rods out of the way. The problem with these upright rod holders is when you're sitting up here in the front casting, they can get in the way, and really those long rods don't sit down in there anyway. But I got an extra space up there. I usually just carry a couple of spinning rods and a couple of my jig poles, so I'll put them all over there and just use these for whatever. But worked out pretty good. That's just some 1/4 inch plate. I guess you can call it scrap. It's expensive, but I had it already, so I just cut it out, and hopefully that'll work pretty good.